Work it, honey.
Work it, work it, work it. Oh, 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 10. 10.
This is behind the scenes.
Oh, this is behind the scenes of the film. We've not done anything yet.
Yeah, we don't know what to do, but I'm thinking a bridge at some point.
Okay,
And
I
there's
like
some
this.
cool train bridges around here.
Water under the bridge.
Water under the bridge. Water on my phone.
Well, just water everywhere, to be honest.
Water everywhere. This Hamish looking nonchalant.
Well, I can't really whistle.
I mean, yeah, you got the gist.
Okay.
That was so good.
And then you're like, oh.
Oh,
I don't actually know what I'm doing.
I want to run with them. Wait, that looks like a sick shot.
Oh my god!
Maybe you get it.
Good one. I actually would. Thanks, guys.
Yes, it's very wet in here,
Yep.
in this bush. It's quite a big bush, you could call it the mighty bush.
Oh, wait. Cass is going to like that one.
Cass is gonna love that one. Oh, this is so cinematical.
If you put it down so the light is like down a bit so it's not as bright. Hold on, let me fix my boobs. Winter. It's like flora.
It's like the flora.
The
And
flowers
then
in the winter.
Wait, it's winter. Hello! Hello! No, cozy. I'm like a grandmother.
Yes. Yes. Babushka? Babushka who?
Babushka who?
Babushka who?
Babushka who, bitch?
We're so fucking whimsical.
so artsy.
Can you film us? Yeah. Oh my. Those fucking rascals. Those rapscallions.
Those rapscallions.
Can you film us in a tree?
Yeah.
Molly and... Hey guys, not so mysterious.
That was so mysterious.
You think to yourself, where's she going? Does she even know? She doesn't.
I'll take my racket as it.
Oh, follow. Shit. To the cutest dog.
It's like a hair flick with the umbrella.
Oh shit, hold on!
Yeah, it's like the emo version of I'm Singing in the Rain.
It is! That's exactly what it is. Stomp on it!
What's up, guys? Come on, don't be shy, don't always walk. Okay, can I have the camera?
Yes. Yes.
Yay.
Oh shit.
Elliot, this is so fucking cinematic right now. Lock in.
Okay.
Hey. I love film.
Okay.
Is it your shirt?
No,
Where's
it's
my dad's? Oh, I mean it is cinematic. I mean look at the lovely sunset. Oh, hey, wait. What if we got a long shot of me walking away and then I walk through there and then I just...
Yeah, just run.
There are people there.
Oh. Oh, there are.
Oh, look at this. Fuck, this is the moment actually.
This is the moment.
Oh, Hamish, you're the shining star.
Yeah, you are. I don't even know what the fuck this is about.
No, it's okay. I'm thinking I symbolize the umbrella. This is too much.
It's too much. No, I was thinking of that though. The wet hair and the yeah.
Look at all the puddle rolling around in the big pond.
Wait, that's so true.
What if we were in the big pond?
Did you enjoy making this film, Elliot?
Yes, it was great fun. Soggy.
Yeah.
I think it was great.
You're soggy. You're soggy.
Still
It's okay. Oh yes, lock in. Oh yes.
My sister.